Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change date of birth on Facebook. First, open your Facebook app. From here, go to Menu on the top right. After that, go to your profile. Once you're here, tap on Edit Profile. After that, scroll down to the bottom and select Edit Your About Info. From here, you will get to see Basic Info. Just tap on Edit beside Basic Info. Now just tap on Birthday. From here, select your month and then select the date of your birth. After that, select your birth year. Once it's done, tap on I confirm that I am 20 years old. After it's done, just tap on Save. And that's it. Now, if you go to your profile, you will get to see that your birth date has been updated. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.